Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix can't add phone number on Steam account and COD Warzone phone number required issue, so you can verify your account without errors. First, make sure you are entering the correct phone number format with your country code, because incorrect format is the most common problem. Next, check if your number is already linked to another Steam account, since one number can only be used on one account at a time. After that, wait a few hours if you have tried too many times, because Steam may temporarily block verification attempts. You should also disable any VPN or proxy, as it can interfere with SMS verification. Another important step is to check your mobile network and make sure SMS services are working properly. Also, try using the Steam mobile app instead of browser. Finally, restart your device and try adding the number again, and it should work normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.